Hello students, today I'll be starting with question number 1 of exercise 2.3. Now question number 1 says, find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. So we will have to find the remainder, okay, and we'll be finding remainder by remainder theorem. So before finding remainder, let us understand what is remainder theorem. Let Px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1. Px be any polynomial of degree means highest power, which will be greater than or equal to 1, and a be any real number. If Px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is Pa. So according to remainder theorem, if Px is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is Pa. This means if we put a in place of x, then we'll be getting the remainder. Now why we'll be putting a in place of x? Because if we put x minus a equal to 0, then the value of x will be a. So we'll be putting a in place of x, okay? Now let us prove it. Now as you know that dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So this is dividend, okay, this is divisor, and if you divide this polynomial by x minus a, then we'll be getting the quotient, which is qx, and after some steps we'll be getting remainder. So here is our remainder, okay. Now the degree of x over here is 1, right? Now since degree is 1, so it will be solved over here, okay, and here it won't be rx. Since degree is 1, degree of x is 1, so it will be solved over here, and in the remainder here we won't be getting rx, here only we will be getting real number, okay. So this is our real number, which is a remainder. So Px is dividend, so in place of dividend we have written Px, then we have equal to sign. Now divisor is x minus a, so we'll write x minus a multiplied by quotient, quotient is qx, and remainder is r. Now here value of x is a, so in place of x we'll put a. So here also we'll be having a, so a minus a multiplied by qx plus r. So a minus a is 0 multiplied by qx plus r, and as we know that 0 multiplied by any number is 0, so 0 multiplied by qx will be 0 plus r, and since 0 is added to r, so we'll get the number itself, so it's r. So remainder we have got r. So here Pa is r, okay. Now let us solve those questions. Now in the first part we have x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. So we'll be solving by remainder theorem. And according to remainder theorem, if there is any linear polynomial, we will first find the value of x, and we'll put the value of x over here to get the remainder, okay. So by remainder theorem, x plus 1 is equals to 0. So what will be the value of x? If you transpose 1 to the right hand side, then plus 1 will be minus 1. So the value of x will be minus 1. Now we'll put the value of x on this polynomial. Okay, so here we have x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now value of x is minus 1, so minus 1 whole to the power 3 plus 3 multiplied by x square. X square means minus 1 whole square plus 3 multiplied by minus 1 plus 1. Always put the negative integer within the bracket. Okay. Now if we have odd number as power, then we'll get minus 1. Why? Because minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is minus minus plus plus minus minus. Okay, so if we have odd number, so we'll get minus 1. If we have even number as the degree, then we'll get positive. So here we have minus 1, then we have plus. Now 3 multiplied by, now minus 1 whole to the power 2, 2 is even number, so we'll get plus 1, so 3 multiplied by 1. Now 3 into 1, 3 plus minus minus, so it's minus 3 plus 1. Now minus 1 plus 3 into 1, 3 minus 3 plus 1. So we'll add the positive integer at first, so 3 plus 1, 4, and then we'll add the negative integer, so 3 minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4, so 4 minus 4, 0. So if you divide x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 1, then we will be getting 0 as remainder. Okay, coming to the next part. Now in the next part we have x minus 1 by 2. That means we will have to find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1 by 2. Now by remainder theorem, x minus 1 by 2 is equals to 0. So if you transpose 1 by 2 to another side, then we'll be getting the value of x, which is 1 by 2. Polynomial x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so we'll put the value of x over here. So at first we have x cube, so 1 by 2 whole cube plus 3 multiplied by 1 by 2 square plus 3 multiplied by, this is multiply sign, okay, 3 multiplied by 1 by 2 plus 1. Now 1 by 2 whole cube. 1 by 2 whole cube means we'll write 1 by 2 thrice. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. So 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. So we will be having 1 by 8 plus 3 multiplied by 1 by 2 square means 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4. So it's 1 by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 1, 3 by 2 plus 1. So it's equals to 1 by 8 plus 3 multiplied by 1, 3 divided by 4 plus 3 by 2 plus 1. So here no denominator is present, so we can consider as 1. So we'll find the LCM of 8, 4, 2, 1. So 8, 4, 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 will come down, 2 1s are 2. So the LCM will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay. So it's 8. Now here 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 multiplied by the numerator is 1. Then we have plus sign. Now again coming to the next fraction, LCM will be divided by the denominator. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 multiplied by the numerator, so it's 6. Plus 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by the numerator is 12. Plus 8 divided by 1 is 8. 8 multiplied to the numerator is 8 ones are 8. Now we will add this all. So denominator will be 8. Now if you add this all, 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. 26 plus 1 is 27. So either we will write the answer 27 by 8 or we can convert it into mixed fashion. So it will be 3 8s are 24. 7 minus 4 is 3. So it's 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 is the remainder when you divide x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 by 2. Okay, now coming to the third part. Now in the third part we have x and there is nothing with x, and we know that by remainder theorem, whichever polynomial is there, whichever linear polynomial is there, we'll just put equal to 0. So here we'll write x is equals to 0, and as there is nothing with x, so we don't have to transpose any number to the right hand side, so value of x will be 0. Now we'll be putting this value on the same polynomial, which is x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So it's x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So here we will be putting 0 in place of x to get the remainder. So it's 0 cube plus 3 multiplied by 0 square plus 3 multiplied by 0 plus 1. So 0 cube means 0 into 0 into 0. So it's 0 plus 0 square means 0 into 0, and which is multiplied by 3, so it's 0 plus 3 multiplied by 0 is 0 plus 1. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. So if you divide x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by x, we'll be getting 1 as remainder. Okay, so this was all about number 1. Thank you, students.